Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are excited to offer this Husqvarna Svartpilen 125. Registered the 21st of February 2023 on a 72 plate with 2,331 miles and benefiting from service history and must have LeoVince exhaust. With its off-road looks and on-road manners, it's easy to see why these make such a popular and engaging motorcycle. The single-cylinder engine is peppy and eager to please. The Svartpilen 125 carries a tall scrambler-style handlebar which, combined with the 835mm seat, delivers a spacious riding position with its upright stance. The Husqvarna is an ideal candidate to hone your riding skills or to make the commute to work just that little bit more enjoyable. This bike would leave us serviced where required, with a full PDI inspection and 3 months warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.